We are in Tampa right now. The first job was in Orlando. We already removed the things that's in the garage. We're organizing something inside the closet, and we are gonna clean the garage floor. It was worse, but I couldn't have the time to record. These people had a lot of bags that they want to donate to Salvation Army. So he bring his car and I put more bags and boxes inside my Pathfinder. And Jose and the owner of the house went to Salvation Army to donate those things. This is the continuation job from last week that we were cleaning the master shower and reorganize 2 bedrooms. I didn't record the bedrooms though. Today we were hired to clean the den area or the desk area. We put everything in the living room in boxes so the owner will sort what kind of boxes they want to keep, books, things like that. Clear the space, clean the leather couch, vacuum. I'm gonna record after we finish the garage. So at the beginning we use our blower that is somewhere to blow everything, and then clear, and now sweeping again everything that is remaining of the floor. Ready to use our phonics machine to clean the floor. If you need your garage clean, reorganized, organization, pressure washing, whatever you need, just call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching us. This is the area that we clear. I didn't record before, but it was packed, disorganized, a lot of things. So everything is clean, even the sofa. I put some favorites so it will be nice. And let's do the garage now.
Esto va a ser cosas de Halloween.
Hay unos mosquitos fastidiosos.
No, pero es que esto es...
Cuidado que no salpique mucho. The client gave us some Halloween treats, some beer. No, just kidding. I don't know what is this. Butterscotch beer, no alcoholic. So we can still work cleaning the garage in Tampa. So each job we clean our machine because it's a good investment that we pay. Rinse and clean the machines for next job. The floor came good. This is all paint that we cannot do nothing about it. We are waiting for the floor to dry and put back all the belongings. Exactly, he's rinsing the machine and the pads that we were using. We rinse this big bucket. Awful.
Lo levantó como cuando levantamos el bache. Esa
máquina pesa, yo no la puedo ni mover.
We have the things from Halloween that they might put it outside. The things for Christmas, garbage disposal, and cleaning supplies. The final step is rinsing the driveway, and I'm gonna tell him that we offer pressure washing too. Almost done. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from AnyHouseCleaning.com. 407-572-4118.